Hello viewers, today I would like to share how to create a CashApp account. Before that, I want to share my Telegram channel. Here I sell various types of account like Chime, CashApp, Venmo and many more. If you want to take our service, you can contact all details in my description below. Okay, here I am going to start my main video. Here I want to show you how to create a CashApp account. I use More Login app to create a CashApp account. Here you can see how I make a cloud phone setup in More Login. After that, when my device ready, I need to stop all location so that CashApp can't track me. And download a CashApp app for creating an account. I take a number from this panel. You can see I put a number and verify phone number, then put last name, first name, date of birth. Here I write down a cash tag and zip code now. It's a very easy process to make a CashApp account. You can see a CashApp account ready. Here limit 1K. Now I'm going to verify this account and order card. Before that, I check all options in CashApp account. I'm going to order a card. For security purpose, I blur all options. I put SSN information here. After that, I need some time to stay, and then here you can see a CashApp account ready. We can give CashApp accounts about 365 days. If you want to take our service, all information in description below. You can see now limit 4K. If you want to take that type of service from us, you can contact. Thank you for enjoying this video.